RVing can be an incredible time, whether you're heading down new roads or taking off to see familiar faces. It can also be frustrating at times. We spent a lot of time out on the road and want to share 5 travel hacks to make your time traveling in the RV a little bit easier. Let's go. First on the list is checking mapping software before you make any stops. Traveling with your car or SUV and pulling into a gas station doesn't take a whole lot of planning. It's an entirely different story with your RV. If you're traveling with a co-pilot, have them scope out upcoming gas stations with your favorite mapping software. You're looking for visuals that show easy in and out, such as wide lanes, huge parking lots, and tons of gas pumps. And if you're stopping off to eat, you can use a satellite view to make sure you've got a large, adequate parking lot to get turned around in and right back out. Second on the list applies to those of us who boondock in between RV stops. Be sure to fill up with fresh water before you leave and head off to your next stop, because it can be almost impossible to get while you're out on the road. Third on the list is adding a hotspot plan to your cell phone or picking up a mobile hotspot. Do you travel with a laptop, tablet, or TV streaming device and you're unable to wait between RV stops where they have Wi-Fi? A mobile hotspot gives you your own personal internet anywhere you have a cell phone signal. Typically your data will be limited, but it's so nice to have your own private internet connection that's always available for you. Fourth on the list is consider getting a roadside assistance plan. We're out traveling, having fun, we're on vacation, and nobody wants to think about an emergency, a flat tire or whatnot, and we don't all have the ability to carry around heavy-duty equipment to lift an RV up. So consider checking out some of these roadside plans and let the pros handle it for you. Last on the list is using a cordless drill to raise and lower your manual stabilizers. If you have manual stabilizers, we all know the time it takes to raise and lower, and if your luck is like mine, it's probably raining. So pick up a battery-powered drill and get the appropriate size socket. You can raise and lower these stabilizers in seconds. It's great. All right, that's the list. We learned the hard way, so hopefully you don't have to. What are your RV travel hacks? Leave them down in the comments. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for future content. See you next time.